Hello students, welcome to TALLENTEX Overseas. Today we have come with a very big news, and that is we are coming to your city. Yes, you heard it right. TALLENTEX Overseas is coming to your country, to your city in Gulf to celebrate your academic success. Yes, we want to celebrate your academic achievements, and we have named them as the Success Carnival. TALLENTEX Overseas is going to celebrate this academic success, and we are also bringing a latest news for you. We are coming with TALLENTEX 2023. TALLENTEX is India's biggest talent encouragement exam, and in this session it is coming to Gulf countries again. Let me tell you how you can register for TALLENTEX. As you can see, this is our website, and you can see this option TALLENTEX over here. When you click on TALLENTEX, it will take you to a different new page. On this page, you can see there are two options: register and login. If you are a new student, click on register, and if you are an already existing TALLENTEX Overseas student, click on login. I'm a new student, so I'm going to click on register. So this is how your registration form for TALLENTEX 2023 looks like. We have filled in some certain details so that we can show you the complete registration procedure. After selecting your country from the drop-down menu, you need to enter your name, your email address, your phone number. You need to select your city again from the drop-down menu, and it will take you to your school name. You can select your school from the drop-down menu. If you don't happen to find your school name in this list, select other option and you can fill in the name over here. After this, you need to select your current grade. Remember students, you need to fill in your current grade at this point. You need to create password for your profile, and after checking this box, you need to click on register. As you click on register, you are done with the registration procedure. You will get this notification, and then you can go to payment page. At this page, you will get two options: make payment via using debit or credit card or net banking, or via PayPal. I'm going to go with debit and credit card. This page will take me again to fill in some certain details about my payment option. After filling all the details, simply make payment. After making the payment, you will get to see this page. You can download your registration receipt from here. This is the completion of registration procedure for TALLENTEX 2023. Students, do not forget to register before time, for we are going to come to Gulf to celebrate your academic success. Thank you so much.